Alright guys, so I don't know if any of you guys are like me and you're new riders, but I recently had a flat on the front tire of my Iron 883, and I wasn't exactly sure what the spec PSI was supposed to be. And it took a lot of trouble actually to figure it out, mostly because I'm stupid. But if you do not want to be stupid, then keep watching this video and I'll show you how to figure it out.
My intuition. Come, let's find out.
Alright, so I figured out I had a flat, and I wanted to see what the PSI was currently and then check to see what it should be. So I got this bike used. It was about a year old when I got it. Only had 500 miles, but it was still used, and it did not come with an owner's manual. So I didn't have any kind of reference sheet to figure out what the PSI for that front tire should be, because I wasn't sure if I just had a slow leak or if it had gone flat suddenly, and I wanted to kind of put some air in it and check and see what was happening. Anyway, so I started looking on the tire itself, and I could not find any markings on the tire itself regarding what the tire pressure should be. Then I started sort of looking along the forks and along the body here, and I didn't see any kind of stickers that would say what it was, so I hopped on Google and did a Google search, and depending on which forum you end up on, I mean, everyone is telling you something different. It's not usually that far off, but everything is kind of variable online as to what the recommended tire pressure was. And I called Harley, they didn't answer, and they haven't returned my call, so I kept on looking, and what I found out was I was just on the wrong side of the bike. So basically, if you're on the other side of the bike, they've got this sticker here, and it will tell you exactly what the pressure is supposed to be. So you'll see here, front tire, blah, blah, blah. Where is it? A 30 PSI cold for the front. There you go. The back one should be 40 PSI cold for my model, which is the 2019 Sportster Iron 883. So yes, don't be me. If you need to know what the PSI for your tire pressure should be, check the frame. Thanks, guys.